How to do the AI avatar trend on TikTok. Welcome back to another tutorial, guys. Let's learn how to convert your photos to avatars. It's a really cool trend, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. The first step is to install the Lensa application on your iPhone or Android device. Then open the app, and tap on Magic Avatars. Then click on Try Now. And the app will show you what kind of avatars it's going to create for you using AI technology. Now click here to confirm that you are over 18 years old. Now it's going to ask you to select 10 to 20 photos from your photo gallery, so do that. Select your gender, and the last step is to purchase the avatars. You see, this is not a free feature, because they say that it uses a lot of computation power to create these avatars. But they look pretty cool, and they aren't expensive. So that is how you can create the AI avatar trend for Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for watching.